Hello and welcome to this vlog of the chill side of Universal and Walt Disney Studios. Right now we are in Terra Luna. We literally checked in like 10 minutes ago. So I'm going to give you a room tour of our room. But first a little breakdown on what this vlog's actually going to be. Basically it's going to be all the things that are outside of the park itself. So I'm going to give you a room tour of here. We are also staying in Coronado, so there's going to be a room tour of that. When we go to Target, when we go to Disney Springs, if we do anything that's literally just outside, like resort hopping, just chilling at the pool, like that is all going to be on this vlog. So it's a nice like cozy relaxing vlog for you to watch. We got our tickets. I went for Harry Potter, of course, and Ben went for Shrek, and Ben's over here. Say hi, Ben.
Hello.
Okay, let me give you a room tour. When you come in, we've got Dreams Are Universal, which is so cute. We've got all our suitcases here, which are just all piled up. And then we've got the bathroom right away, and there's like a little glass wall and then just like a full curtain. We have this whole section, which is like mirror, sink. We've got facial soap here, nice towels, and then this is the actual bathroom part, which I do appreciate a bathtub for the end of a park day so that you can soak your feet in it and it's so nice at the end of the day. And in here we have bath soap, and you've also got your shampoo and conditioner, which are Terra Luna themed. Toilet here, and then let's head back into the main room. I actually didn't even open the wardrobe yet. There's an ironing board, so I presume there's an iron. There is. And then we've got a safe here, which is actually quite big. Like I'll definitely get my laptop and stuff in this. And then you come into the actual room. We've got coffee maker, coffee, we've got a little ice bucket. We also got these when we were checking in. First epic visit, which is so cute. Right here we've got drawers. I don't know if we will even unpack properly for this one because we're only here for a couple of nights, and I love when hotels give you themed pens and a little notebook. They'll definitely be coming home with me. We've got menus for downstairs, and then we've got a big TV. The beds are so comfy, and then we've got this lovely big moon up on the top, and it's because this is themed to the moon, like Luna obviously, and then Stella Nova is more like space, I think is what the vibe is. We've got this cute little lamp and an alarm clock, and there are so many plugs around the room. Ben is very beautifully demonstrating the lovely sofa that is in the room. And then we've got a pool view room, which it looks so nice, but it isn't the warmest. I actually don't know what degrees it is right now, but like it felt nice. It felt like 17. That's so warm. Feels like a nice Irish summer. There is like a little bit of a breeze that I think is like making it cooler. I wonder if there's any alligators in there. There probably is. I know obviously it's not like hot weather, but look how many sun loungers and everything there is. There's like so much space. And then this is all the other side of the hotel. And that was a quick little rundown of our Terra Luna room. We're taking a midday park break to go and have a little swim since it's such a nice day and the weather is amazing, and it's supposed to start turning tomorrow. The ugliest thing I've ever seen in my life. We are just all checked in. We have a room number and our room's ready, so we're gonna head down there now. I'm so excited. This lobby is so stunning. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go in. Oh my God, Brooke's in here. Wait, it's so big. I don't know why I thought it was going to be smaller than this. Woo! And the fans on. Is that like the kitchen probably? Oh my goodness. Thank you, kind soul. And the second lot. I can't believe we're actually here in Paris. We have a little Hey Disney. Let's do a super quick room tour. If you want a more in detail one, there's lots of YouTube videos because I've watched them all of it. But we've got our 2 beds. We are in block 5 of the casitas. So, and then we have a nice water view, which is so exciting. We've got this lovely Tree Caballeros poster here. And then we've got ice bucket, coffee machine. And then we have the little like drinks cooler. This is not a proper fridge, so if you need one, I think you can ask reception. And then we've got the little Hey Disney, which is so cute. And then we've got the TV with my name on it. Got little booklets about the parks. And then we've got a bin. We've got a great full-length mirror for all of my fit checks for every single day. And then we've got lots and lots of drawers. There's a fan on. I don't know how to turn it off yet, so we will turn it off in a minute. Got a nice chair, as Ben's demonstrating there, for his lovely jacket. Here's bed number 2. And then we've got another tree caviar was in the middle. And in here, we've got a big safe, whoa, and a little drawer. And then we've got into the bathroom. The grand reveal. This is so pretty. It's such a fancy bathroom. We've got 2 sinks, which is nice. And then we've got the Disney hand soap and body lotion, mouthwash, fanny kit, shower cap. More storage over here. There's so much storage, and we're staying here for 11 nights, so it's good to have so much. We've got extra pillow blanket, lots of hanging space again. Got an iron here, and in here we have the bathroom, and we have a bath. So nice. Oh, thank goodness we've got a normal shower. I cannot do waterfall shower with my hair because it's so thick. And then we've got body wash, conditioner and shampoo in here too. Toilet and towels. And I can't remember if I showed you over at the window, but there's also a nice seat. And then this is our view out the window of the water. And that was a very quick fire room tour of our room in Coronado Springs. Let's do a bed test. Nice. We shall see you later on when we're heading to Disney Springs. We don't know where we're going to eat, but we're just going to kind of like have a wander. We've already went into Zara and we just went into Lululemon. We're just going to kind of see where the wind takes us, literally where the wind, because it's still really windy. But we're going to see where we're about to go to eat. We were thinking maybe Polite Pig, but we're just going to have a wander around some of the shops first, and then after like seeing a few places, decide where we want to go eat. First stop is Disney style, and I think this is where they said they have the birthday t-shirt, so I really hope that to do. Oh, that's cool. How cute and pink. And they have the Disney girly hat. That is so cute, but I'm just not a hat gal. These are the new Valentine's ears. These are cute too. If this wasn't a v-neck, that would be like right up my street. Look what Ben just spotted. Oh my god, it's a Pooh jacket and it's quilted. Tigger Crocs. Crocs are on my list to get, but the plain ones with the Mickey Mouse holes instead of the round holes. That is so cute. And that would be like great for Disney Paris. Alright, everybody cross your fingers. They have it! Oh my god, they have it. Yep. I'm so happy that they have it. I was so worried that it was going to be hard to find. Okay, now I hope they have my size. So cute. $40. They have lots of really cute hoodies. That pink's really cute. Oh yeah, that is cute. That is definitely more practical than a loungefly, and it even has a little space to hold your ears. That's so clever. This one's so cute. They've got the Stony Clover collection. The Stony Clover. Guess. Take a price guess.
90.
205. Here are the Valentine's ones. These are really cute. 170. I would love some clothes. This was on my list of things to get for ears, and I like this yellow one. We have decided on chicken guys. Let's go. I did Minute Maid lemonade and then put Sprite in it. Our food just got here. Looks so good. Try it. I'm gonna lay out all the sauces. How do I know which one's which? It might be the special sauce. We've got all the sauces lined up to do a taste test. Good. I'm gonna guess this is the Parmesan because it's so thick. That's unreal. Why do you not like any sauces except ketchup? A weirdo. Buttermilk ranch? No. Chipotle ranch. We both went for the southern style chicken. I'm feeling this is gonna be really good with the garlic parmesan. Wait, it's garlic.
Don't know that. Just see the big picture of him on the wall.
good. It smells like fancy stuff. It's not unlike actually. Wow. It's so massive. The smell isn't unlike a fresher version of the Zen Hotel instead of a florally version. It is so massive. I didn't actually, like, obviously I've seen vlogs with loads and knew how many floors there was from looking at vlogs, but there's so many floors in the lobby bit. We just got our food. I went for the buffalo chicken flatbread. This looks so good. I went for plain burger.
Yeah, plain and simple.
Plain and simple. I'm so excited to eat this. We just filled up our resort mugs. Ben went for hot chocolate. Yeah. That's good. I went for peach Minute Maid lemonade and it is so good. I wish that we had this in Coronado because it's unbelievable. So now we are walking over to the Polynesian just to have a little look around, and then we are coming back here and we're going to meet Taylor and Mark because they are coming here for their diner reservation. We're going to see them before we head back to our resort for a little bit and get changed and maybe add some more layers for coming back out tonight. I know it is wet and the sun is not sunny. So cool. This place is so pretty. We just came for a little stroll down to the Boardwalk. It is absolutely stunning here. I wanted to come and see it during the day because we will be coming back on my birthday actually to right here to the cake bake shop. But we went and we just filled up our resort mugs and we're just having a nice stroll. It is such a nice temperature today. Today is the first day that it's actually like warm. Like I had to take off a layer. So that's how you know we're getting warm. And I think pretty much the rest of the trip it's like going to be 20-ish. So that's absolutely perfect for us. It's the temperature that I wanted when I booked January in Walt Disney World.
That's right.
Hi, thank you. Muppets. Yay! We got Toy Story one!
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort.
Coronado. We were supposed to be in Animal Kingdom this morning, but we really needed a break from rope dropping. We did early entry and like rope drop every morning since we came for Universal and Disney. So we had a nice 9 o'clock lie-in and we're going to do Animal Kingdom tomorrow instead. So now we're just heading to get some breakfast. It's already 50 degrees at like 10 o'clock in the morning. So it's going to be such a nice day to have a good relax. Maybe we'll go to Disney Springs or... Oh no, yeah, we are going to Disney Springs.
Yeah.
We are going to Disney Springs and I don't know what else we're doing. Just having a break day today and then back into it tomorrow. I am very happy with all my purchases and now we are off to Port Orleans to try some beignets. I went for the caramel sauce and Ben went for chocolate. I'm just not a fan of like Hershey's-ish chocolate. If it was Nutella I'd go for that. You're gonna go no sauce first. Oh my god, yum. Rim wasn't lying when they said these are real. It's like the fluffiest donut ever that's like really crispy. And these are snack credit, which is such a good use of it. Because these are going to feed like the two of us. Not even one beignet in. I think it's definitely worth the boat trip from Coronado Springs over here. Come again, and the boat trip is so nice. Yes, we're in Springs. We are in Springs to get some dinner in the Polite Pig, as you could tell by my kind of crazy hair and the clips you just seen before us. We came from Volcano Bay, so we are very much ready to eat, and this one's supposed to be a really good one. And look how beautiful it is. This is our first like proper day of sunshine. Well, we've had sunshine, but our first proper day of heat where we could actually lie out, and I got a little bit of a tan, like it's slightly. Our butcher board has arrived. They literally dropped us off before Ben even got up from filling the drink, so that was so fast. We went for waffle fries and mac and cheese as our two sides. I'm so excited to dig in.
Sausage.
So good. And she was like, how do you want your pork? I was like, cold dough. The only way we eat it. And this is a really good meal as well, because there's so much food. It's 2 quick service credits, even though it's like a stay-in restaurant. This is like cornbread. I've never had this before. It looks like a Madeira cake. Like that looks like a fairy bun. It tastes like Madeira. Yeah, it's like kind of sweet. Everything is like a 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend coming here. You can book tables, so I would say that if you're coming on like a Saturday night or Friday night, that's when like Springs is apparently like its busiest, to like be prepared to wait, I would say. There is lots of seating like inside and outside, but it is really popular for a reason. That was honestly so good. We are literally going to explode. You could definitely share that between like 3 people easily. Now we are heading into World of Disney. I have one more thing that I want to tick off my merch list, and Ben has one too. Look at this little train conductor Mickey Wishable. Oh, he's so cute. I actually have all of this set of Wishables except for Pluto. I don't feel like gambling though right now, but it's crazy. These are more expensive in Paris. Okay, we got 2 of our things secured. Look how cute this little tiny jumper. And this one is, let me see the feet. Look, my first Mickey 2026 is on the cutest thing ever. Yeah. So cute. Ben is going to pay for his, and we've branched out on a secret mission because every time he went past this, he really wanted it, so I'm gonna get it and then meet him back where he is and surprise him. Mission complete, we got him. You're welcome.